Hello everyone, my name is Nagorna. I'm a Ukrainian artist and felt maker. I'm working with the wool for more than 12 years now, and I really love this warm and cozy material very much. Today I would like to present you my new video tutorial where I'll show you how to make small beautiful accessory using a very simple felting technique. It will be such a golden spikelet that you can wear like a brooch or some part of thin belt or even as a necklace. You will get a lot of options with this object. I'll show you all the process from layout of the wool to the shaping of the spikelet. So let's start, and at the beginning I'll tell you about materials for our class.